Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Akfaisi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about benzothiophene. What is benzothiophene? You can see here, this is the structure of benzothiophene. Benzothiophene is an aromatic organic compounds with a molecular formula C8H16S and order similar to naphthalene. The second important point, it occurs naturally as a constituent of petroleum-related deposits such as lignite tar. Benzothiophene has no household use. Benzothiophene finds use in research as a starting material for the synthesis of larger, usually bioactive structures. And this is the starting material. You can synthesize a lot of compounds and their derivatives. It is found within the chemical structure of pharmaceuticals drug such as raloxifene, xylitol, and cetaconazoles, and also BTCP. It is also used in the manufacturing of dyes such as thioindigo. Now synthesis. Benzothiophene synthesized by oxidative cyclization of mercaptocinamic acid in presence of alkaline solution of KOH. The reaction involves formation of benzothiophene with loss of carbon dioxide. You can see here in the reaction mechanisms and steps of reactions. This compound is known as mercaptocinamic acid. KOH, C2H5OH, ethanol, basic medium. It gives this product. And after decarboxylations, it gives benzothiophene. So this is the one method for the synthesis of benzothiophene. Now, alpha mercaptocinamic acid and oxidative cyclizations and chlorine carbon tetrachloride or dioxane results in the formation of benzothiophene. You can see alpha mercaptocinamic acid. This is alpha mercaptocinamic acid. I2HI, it gives this product. Remove I minus, it gives here S positive, and then cyclization occurs. Then deprotonations forming this product, and then decarboxylation occurs and formations of benzothiophene. You know, my friends, condensations of thiophenol with bromo or chloro acetyl or acetaldehyde dialkyl acetal produce aryl thioacetaldehyde dimethyl acetate undergo cyclization in presence of polyphosphoric acid as a catalyst to give benzothiophene. You can see thiophenol react with chloro acetaldehyde and dialkyl acetate. Chloroacetaldehyde dialkyl acetate. You can see here eliminations of HCl, hydrochloric acid, in presence of sodium ethoxide. It gave these products. And then further, methoxy groups remove here, and then cyclization occurs and formation of these products. Then further, you can see removal of methanol and formations of benzothiophene. Now, next method of preparations, thiophenol when treated with acetylene. And thiophenol provide benzothiophene. So you can see thiophenol, acetylene at 600 to 650 degrees Celsius. You will get this product. And on cyclization and deprotonation, you will get this benzothiophene. Now, aryl thioacetic acid on cyclizations provides 3-hydroxybenzothiophenone, which on treatment with zinc acetic acid afford benzothiophene. So, what is the mechanisms? You can see thiophenol react with chloroacetic acid. It gave this product. And this product undergoes cyclizations, aryl thioacetic acid. Formation of this product, here carbon contains 2 OH groups. So this OH and this hydrogen replaced in the form of water, and formations of double bond and formation of this product 3-hydroxybenzothiophenone. Upon reactions with zinc in the presence of acetic acid, you will get the benzothiophene. Now, reactions of O-mercaptobenzaldehyde with chloroacetic acid or O-mercaptobenzoic acid with chloroacetone in presence of alkali in ethanol provide benzothiophene derivative. You can see O-mercaptobenzaldehyde, chloroacetic acid, it gives this product, and then cyclization occurs, formation of this product, now removal of water, dehydration occurs, and then sequentially decarboxylations, then you will get the benzothiophene. This is another examples. You can see this is the cyclization process. If you have the acetone derivative. Now, O-carboxyl phenyl thioacetic acid when cyclized with acetic anhydride afford 2-carboxy-3-hydroxybenzothiophenone, which on decarboxylation and zinc dust treatment lead to the formation of benzothiophene. Now you can see react with this compound, formations of this already you have seen. Now decarboxylation, dehydrations, then decarboxylations, and then zinc dust reactions, you will get the benzothiophene. Another reactions, thiophene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid anhydride at 500 degrees Celsius to yield thiophene intermediate, followed by reaction with thiophene to form tricyclo compounds. The resulting product on extrusion of the sulfur, extrusion of sulfur means remove the sulfur, yield benzothiophene. Now you can see thiophene 2,3-dicarboxylic acid anhydride react with 500 degrees Celsius, formation of these products. It further react with another thiophene, formation of this product. Now extrusion of sulfur, and you will get the benzothiophene. So, you know, friends, electrophilic substitution of benzothiophene, presence of benzene deactivates the reactivity of thiophene moiety. Substitution occurs preferentially at the beta position like indol, but alpha position is also obtained. If thiophene is substituted with electron withdrawing groups, or if the benzene is substituted with electron releasing group, substitution occurs at benzene moiety. The presence of electron releasing group at position 2 directs the electrophiles at 3 positions. The presence of electron releasing group at 3 positions directs the electrophile at 2 positions. The presence of electron releasing group in the benzene ring direct dielectrophile, ortho or para substituents. So now I am going to show you reactions. Electrophilic substitution reactions. You can see electrophilic reactions occurs at position 3 in the benzothiophene. If electrophile attack at 3 positions, you have these 2 structures. This one is more stable. At 2 positions, you have 2 equilibrium structure, resonating structure, and this one is less stable due to disturbance in aromaticity. So this path is more visible. That's why nitrations, thiophene, benzothiophene undergo nitrations. It gave 3 nitrobenzothiophene and also 2 nitrobenzothiophene. Sulfonations, it gave benzo B-thiophene 3 sulfonic acid and also benzo B-thiophene 2 sulfonic acid. Now you can see the halogenations at 3 positions, hydrogenations at 3 positions. Acylations at 3 positions, 3-acetyl benzothiophene. Now alkylations, you can see at 2 isopropyl B-thiophene and 3 isopropyl benzo B-thiophene. Coloromethylations, you can see here at 3 positions. Oxidation, benzo B-thiophene 1,1-dioxide. Reductions, you have the 2 pathway from sodium ethanol and sodium ammonia. You will get 2,3-dihydrobenzo B-thiophene and 2-ethyl benzene thiol. Now photochemical cycloaddition reactions, you can see it react with 1,2-dichloroethene and forming 1,2-dichloro, 1,2-2A, 7B, tetrahydrobenzo B, cyclobuta D-thiophene. Reaction with carbene, you can see the formation of 3-member ring. So friends, I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel and thanks for watching.